Hey guys, welcome back to Winning Brains. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this cube. So cube is a really interesting and very easy puzzle to solve. And without wasting further time, let's begin the tutorial. So to learn solving this cube, there are three things which are very important if you want to solve the cube. This cube. So the first thing is obviously to have a cube. The second thing is to see my video, and the third and the most important thing is to subscribe to my channel. Yeah guys, so make sure you subscribe to Winning Brains to get further updates, and also watch this video. Okay, so I'm gonna do a random scramble on this cube. Okay, so here we have a scrambled cube. So the first thing we want to do is we have to search for a white, this middle piece which looks somewhat like a rhombus, I believe. Okay, so here you would observe that that's not exactly a centerpiece, because if you take a normal 3 by 3, you'll see that opposite to white will be always yellow, opposite to red will be orange, and green opposite will be blue. But here you see that here you have white, here or green, and then you have adjacent to green which is blue. Only white and yellow are opposite, so that we shouldn't worry about that. So the first thing we need to search is for this kind of a white big piece, and then four corners. Okay, so now what we have to do is, keeping white on the bottom, we search for this kind of pieces which are facing towards us, either on the right side or on the left side, like this way. So here we search and I see this one. So what we have to do is we just have to pull it down like this. Okay, the cube is a bit confusing because it has many ways to turn, and you can't turn it like this, nothing. We have to get it this way. Okay, so then the second thing we have to do is we have to search for another piece the same way, like this one I see here. So I insert it the same way without messing up anything. Okay, so now I see this one which has to come here. Okay, so now the big problem starts is that if I can't just get it like this, because that's the wrong way, it has to somehow come here without disturbing this. So what I do here is I turn this one this way, and now it's the normal piece. So I get that down and get this back over here. Okay, so now for the last piece, you see this one is here, but usually if I would say we would do it here, but that's the wrong place. It has to come here. So what we do is we turn the cube like this. We see that if we turn it this way, there's nothing getting disturbed, these three. So it was like this, right? So now we just turn it like this. We just do the opposite of what we did previously. We do like this to get this easily on this way, get it in and get this back down. Okay, so I'll do another white face to make sure we cover up all the cases. So quickly let's begin. So here I see one, I just get this down this way. Then I see this one which is facing up. Okay, so this one has to come here. So I turn it in this axis because it has to come here. I do this, I can do all this because there's nothing over here right now. So now I just move this way. Okay, so let's leave that. And then I see this one, it is in the right place but it's not in right orientation. So what I do, I remove it. Then this one is fully free, I have all the way over here. So I just insert it this way, but then I see even this one is there. So then I can just insert it like this. Here I see this also is the same way, which is there in the right place but not in the right orientation. So I remove it, move it aside, get it in and get this back. Okay, So now we are done with the first layer, so we go into OLL. And the best thing about learning cube is that it has only one algorithm, which means you can solve the whole cube using only one algorithm. Okay, so then on cube there are only three cases for OLL. That's by seeing the corners. The first one is when it's like this, one facing towards you and one on the left like this, or it can be like this, one facing and one to the right, that one. Or else it can be this one, in which two are facing right side and these two opposite away facing to the other side. And the third is all four on the top. Okay, so now what we do is we have to learn only that one algorithm. So the one algorithm which I'm going to teach is R prime L R L prime. Okay, so we just have to repeat this, and there are different placements for this also. So we have to do this algorithm only when, during this case we can do it when this yellow is facing towards us and that one to the left side. We do this algorithm R prime L R L prime. Okay, the second part is when these two are on the right, one facing towards you and one away from you. We do the same algorithm R prime L R L prime. So here we got the yellow on top, but that was just a chance. Okay, so sometimes we might not get, and I'm gonna show it in the next one, in the next part. But now I'll finish the OLL, then let's go to it. Okay, so then we have last three middle big pieces to be in the right position. So what we do is that we keep the opposite faces facing towards us, and it will look something like this. This one is solved, this one is solved, this one is also solved, only these three. This one is opposite, red and orange are opposite, so we face towards us and do the same algorithm R prime L R L prime. Okay, so we did it once. Now what we have to do is we have to do 180-degree rotation of the cube like this. So we were facing this side, so now we do two rotations and then again repeat the same algorithm R prime L R and L prime. So there you go, this cube is solved. Okay, so coming back to the situation that I said, we see that two yellow are on the right side, one facing towards us and one facing back. So we do the algorithm R prime L R L prime, and then we see that the yellow is not solved. Okay, so what we do is we keep yellow at the back and then do the algorithm R prime L R L prime, then 180 degrees rotation, two turns, and again R prime L R L prime. So here as I said, keep the opposites towards you and do R prime L R L prime, then you 180-degree turn and then R prime L R and L prime. So there you go, your cube is solved. And so if you like this video, don't forget to like and drop a comment below if you have any doubts, and don't forget to subscribe to Winning Brains. Winning Brains signing out.